It's Morgan with the Wapiti Regional Library, and welcome to Science Center. Today, we're going to be making milk fireworks, so get ready for a color explosion. You will need milk at room temperature. The container only needs to be about an inch deep full of milk. You'll need food coloring, toothpicks, and dish soap. Carefully place a couple drops of food coloring in your milk. Pour a little bit of soap into a container and grab your toothpick. Dip it in the soap and then carefully place it in your milk. Milk is mostly made up of water molecules, but it has some fat particles in it as well. When you add the dish soap, it helps to separate the fat from the milk. Think of the dish soap as grabbing a hold of the fat particles and pulling it with them. This causes the milk to look like it's shifting and moving, and is what allows the food coloring to create the colorful explosions. I hope that you found what you learned today interesting and that you'll join me at our next Science Center.